Whether you are a businessman who is always on the move or a person who likes to work while traveling, you will want a laptop that can enhance your workflow and increase your productivity while being portable to go anywhere with you. There are hundreds of different models of laptop that are available in the market, and choosing a perfect laptop for yourself can be problematic. So in this video, we're going to show you the top 10 productivity laptops that are durable to suit your needs. Even though Huawei has entered the laptop market in recent years, they make premium quality laptops. Meet the MateBook X Pro from Huawei, a versatile and compact laptop that can enhance your workflow. Powered by an 8th Gen i7 processor, 16GB of RAM, and the NVIDIA GeForce MX 150 graphics card, the MateBook X Pro can complete any hard task without breaking a sweat. This laptop comes with a touch-responsive 3K full-view display that will give you a massive view in vivid details. The display also has a remarkable 91% screen-to-body ratio and 3:2 aspect ratio, which is perfect for reading and working. With a thin ergonomic body and weighing around 3 pounds, the MateBook X offers great portability and productivity. This thin and lightweight laptop is packed with a 1TB solid-state drive, making it a faster process to transfer and store more data. It also comes with a Thunderbolt 3.0 port that can transfer data at 40GB per second. You can also add an external GPU or a 4K display with your MateBook X Pro. The MateBook X Pro is packed with a powerful 54Wh battery that can power the laptop for 14 hours on a single charge, which will allow you to work for a longer period of time. If you are looking for a powerful laptop in an affordable price that can get your work done efficiently on the move, then the Huawei MateBook X Pro is the right choice for you. Microsoft has been instrumental in bringing computing to everyone. Introducing the Surface Pro 7 from Microsoft, an ultra-light and versatile laptop to use in your home and workspace. The Surface Pro 7 is packed with a 10th Gen i7 processor, 16GB of RAM, and Intel Iris Plus graphics, making it a device that is powerful enough to give you better performance, connectivity, and entertainment. The 12.3 inches display has built-in 10-point multi-touch so that you can get better control over your Surface Pro. With an aspect ratio of 3:2, you can enjoy 4K streaming and 1080p gaming with incredible details on your Surface Pro. It comes with 1TB storage, which is big enough to store your files and fast enough to read and transfer files. The Surface Pro 7 has a 5-megapixel face authentication front-facing camera, an 8-megapixel rear-facing autofocus camera, and both cameras can record 1080p video. It also comes with a built-in kickstand and removable cover. The Surface Pro 7 is a thin laptop which weighs only 1.7 pounds, which makes the Surface Pro very light and easy. Now, open more possibilities than ever before with the Surface Pen, because you can sketch ideas and craft presentations with more creativity. The Surface Pro 7 is packed with a powerful battery that can power the laptop for up to 10.5 hours so that you can do more work without getting interrupted. The Surface Pro 7 is a laptop in a tablet body which lets you finish your work efficiently, while its compact size lets you carry it anywhere easily. Meet the MacBook Air from Apple, a perfectly portable laptop that can do all of your work. Powered by an 8th Gen Core i5 processor and 16GB RAM, you can do multitasking seamlessly without any interruption. The MacBook Air comes with a 13.3 inches high-resolution Retina display that takes images and videos on a new level of detail and realism. The built-in True Tone technology in the display automatically adjust the white point of the display to match the color temperature of your environment. The 1TB of SSD storage on the MacBook Air will let you launch apps in a flash and provides plenty of storage to store your videos, photos, and documents. The MacBook Air features the Apple T2 security chip that makes the MacBook Air even more secure than any other laptop on the market, your files and information stay secure and safe. It also comes with Touch ID that will make sure that only you can get access to the laptop. The MacBook Air comes with two Thunderbolt 3 ports that can transfer data at 40 GB per second. You can also connect external GPU and display for better performance. The MacBook Air is powered by a powerful battery which will allow you to continuously work for up to 13 hours. Weighing only 2.75 pounds, the MacBook Air is a powerful yet lightweight device that you can use to get your everyday light work done easily. Meet the XPS 15 laptop from Dell, the smallest 15-inch laptop on the planet that was built to increase productivity. Powered by a 9th Gen i9 processor, 32 GB of RAM, and NVIDIA GeForce 1650, the XPS 15 is a powerful laptop that will complete the most power-hungry tasks with ease. The 1TB SSD in the XPS 15 will let you store plenty of files, images, and videos. The 4K Ultra HD display in the laptop will let you see each detail of every pixel without needing to zoom in. You can also edit images with pinpoint accuracy without worrying about blurriness or jagged lines. You can also be more productive by using the touch features on the display. The XPS 15 is packed with a powerful 97 watt-hour battery that will let you work for up to 13 hours on a single charge. Now, you can do more work without worrying about recharging it. This laptop weighs only 4 pounds, allowing you to carry it with you on your next business trip. This laptop encourages you to be more productive, and you should go for it. HP is one of the top laptop manufacturers in the world. Meet the Spectre X360 from HP, a thin and lightweight laptop that is packed with many unique features. Packed with an 8th Gen Core i7 processor, 16 GB of RAM, and NVIDIA GeForce MX 150 GPU, you can render high-quality images and videos for your workstation. It is also packed with a massive 2 TB of SSD, which is spacious enough to store all of your necessary documents. The 15.6 inches diagonal 4K IPS display comes with touch control to provide you with more control so that you can do more work effortlessly. It comes with a 6-cell 84 watt-hour battery that is powerful enough to provide power for a longer period of time so that you can be more productive. Even though it weighs only 4.59 pounds, the X360 doesn't lag behind any essential features than any other heavyweight powerful laptops. If you are searching for a thin and lightweight laptop that can enhance your workflow and increase your productivity, then the X360 can be a great choice for you. Asus is renowned for its value-for-money laptop production, the ZenBook Pro Duo from Asus, a laptop that will take your creativity and productivity to the next level. This laptop is packed with a powerful 9th Gen Core i9 processor, 32 GB of RAM, and an RTX 2060 graphics. With this much processing power and sharp viewing experience, you can use the ZenBook Pro Duo as your portable workstation. It's truly amazing. 15.6 inches 4K OLED display with touchscreen can deliver ultra-vivid colors with more deeper blacks, making this laptop a superb all-rounder for professional work and entertainment. This laptop also comes with the fascinating Asus ScreenPad, which is a 4K secondary touchscreen that will operate seamlessly with the main display to give you endless ways to optimize and personalize your workflow. It has a built-in infrared camera that will detect your face and unlock the laptop even in the dark to provide you the ultimate hands-free login experience. This laptop comes with a 1TB Intel Optane storage so that you can store plenty of your essential files and take it anywhere you want. All this powerful hardware, the ZenBook Pro Duo meets the ultra-demanding military standard for reliability and portability. This laptop is packed with a 71 watt-hour lithium polymer battery that will provide backup for up to 7.5 hours so that you can do your everyday work without any interruption. If you are looking for a powerful laptop that will be able to complete hard jobs like high-quality video rendering or ultra-power computing, then you should go for this laptop. No company is leading the laptop innovation quite like Lenovo. Meet the ThinkPad X1 Carbon from Lenovo, a lightweight laptop that reinvents portability and untethers you from your workstation. Packed with an 8th-gen Core i7 processor and 16GB RAM, the ThinkPad is a laptop that is powerful enough to boost your productivity. The ThinkPad X1 Carbon comes with a 4K IPS display with Dolby Vision that will show amazing visuals while playing or editing video or an image. You will get 2 TB of storage in this laptop, which is big enough for you to store all of your important files and documents. User data security has always been a major concern for Lenovo, and that's why they have included the discrete trusted platform module on the ThinkPad X1, which will encrypt your data and work in conjunction with Windows 10 Pro security. It also features a fingerprint reader that uses biometric algorithm, ensuring only you have access to your laptop. The ThinkPad X1 weighs only 2.5 pounds, so that you can carry it comfortably with you anywhere. This laptop comes with a powerful battery that will let you use it for up to 18.3 hours, so that you can use it as long as you want without worrying about recharging. Razer is the world's one of the leading lifestyle brand for gamers. Meet the Razer Blade Pro 17, world's thinnest 17 inches laptop. The 17.3 inches Blade Pro has a massive display with 1920 by 1080 resolution and 144Hz refresh rate, which will let you enjoy smooth viewing experience with finer details. The Razer Blade Pro 17 comes with a 9th generation Core i7 processor, 64GB of RAM and RTX GPU, making it a mobile workstation that will run performance-demanding tasks on the go. This laptop comes with an infrared camera that can capture high-quality images and record 720p videos. The camera can also provide face unlock system. It is featured with 3 second-generation USB 3.2 Type-A port, a USB 3.2 Generation 2 Type-C port, a Thunderbolt 3 port, an HDMI 2.0 port, and an SD card reader. The Razer Blade Pro 17 is packed with a powerful 70.5 watt-hour battery, which can provide backup for enough time to improve productivity and work time. Although the Razer Blade Pro 17 is a gaming laptop, it packs many features and more power than other laptops to get your work done on the go. When it comes to a well-designed professional laptop, Apple has always blessed us with great laptops, and the MacBook Pro 15 inches 2019 version is no different than that trend. The Retina display in the MacBook Pro features bright LED backlighting and a high contrast ratio that delivers deep blacks and bright whites. The display has 3K resolution, which will be effective when you are editing a photo or video. Powered by a 9th generation Core i9 processor, 32GB of RAM, and Radeon Pro Vega 20 GPU, the MacBook Pro is a very powerful device which will let you run multiple Pro softwares so that you can do multitasking effortlessly. On the MacBook Pro, you can get up to 4 TB of SSD storage, which can read your files at 3.2 gigabits per second, while making file reading and transfer way faster than any other devices. The MacBook Pro comes with the Sidecar feature, which lets you extend your workspace by using the iPad Pro as your second display. You can also use the Apple Pencil to more creatively design in Illustrator, edit photos in Affinity Photo, or create 3D models. With 4 Thunderbolt 3.0 ports, it will let you connect multiple external devices on the laptop simultaneously to make multitasking easier. The laptop has built-in 83.6 watt-hour lithium polymer battery that will let you work continuously for up to 10 hours. Weighing only 4 pounds, the MacBook Pro is a compact and lightweight laptop that is easy to carry and move around, so you can take it with you on anywhere and work effortlessly. The 2019 MacBook Pro is even more powerful and better than its previous versions, and the price for 2019 version of MacBook Pro starts from $2,399. Meet the Surface Laptop 3 from Microsoft, a slim and stylish laptop that comes with improved speed, performance, and all-day battery life. With Microsoft's signature aspect ratio of 3:2, The 13.5 inches version comes with 2256 by 1504 resolution and 2496 by 1664 resolution on the 15 inches. They come with an ambient light sensor that automatically adjusts the screen brightness based on the available light around the device. The Surface Laptop 3 comes in 13.5 and 15 inches variant with upgraded internals. You can configure the laptops with Intel's 10th Gen Ice Lake i5 or i7 processor or AMD's Spatial Surface Edition Ryzen 5 and Ryzen 7 processor that aren't even on the market. The Surface Laptop 3 supports up to 16GB LPDDR4X RAM, and for faster read, write, transfer and to store your files, you can choose from 128GB to 1TB of SSD. Its front-facing camera is compatible with Windows Hello Face authentication system for better security, and the camera can record 720p video and capture sharp images. The Surface Laptop 3 is packed with a powerful battery which allows it to work non-stop for up to 11.5 hours on a single charge, giving you a full day uninterrupted workflow. The 13.5-inch Surface Laptop 3 weighs as low as 2.8 pounds, while the 15 inches weighs about 3.4 pounds, giving you the ultimate portability and allow you to be productive. If you are looking for a portable and powerful laptop which can provide excellent performance on the move, then you should definitely go for the Surface Laptop 3.